Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to find the number of open browser windows. Let's get started. So we are going to write the script for this web page. So here you can see find the number of open tabs. So if you click on this open multiple, it will open two browser windows. So including the parent window, there are three windows. So the output will be 3. So let's see how to write the script for this. Go to your Eclipse IDE, go to your package, right click, select new and then select class. Here give the class name. Then select this checkbox and click on this finish button. So then launch the web browser, WebDriver, driver equal to new Firefox driver. And then open the web page. Here we need to copy this URL and paste here. And we have an error here, so we need to import the Firefox driver. Now we need to locate the element. So go to your web page. So this is our web element and right click on this button and go to inspect. So here we have ID for this web element. So copy this IDE and then write web element open multiple. You can give any name equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. Here we need to paste that ID value. Then we need to click on this button, right? So open multiple dot click. Okay. Now we need to find the number of windows. So before that we need to get the Windows ID. So since we have multiple windows open, so we need to use the get window handles method. So driver dot get window handles dot size. So this will return the size. So we need to store the size value in the integer variable, integer number of windows equal to driver dot get windows handles dot size of. Now we need to just print this value, system dot out dot println number of windows open equal to copy this variable. So now let's run the script. Right click, run as Java application. So we got the output as 3 in the console. So hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.